Hello learner, let's solve this quadratic equation by quadratic formula. As we know that the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now here in this equation the value of a is 3, the value of b is minus 6 and the value of c is 2. Now substitute the value of a, b and c in this formula, which is x is equal to minus into minus 6 plus or minus under root minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 3. Now simplify this, which gave us x is equal to 6 plus or minus under root 12 by 6. Now again simplify this, which gave us x is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 by under root of 3, and the solution set is equal to 1 plus 1 by under root of 3 comma 1 minus 1 by under root of 3.